फ्रेंड्स, गुड इवनिंग। हम लोग एनटीए यूजीसी नेट एजुकेशन सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड एमसीक्यूज़ करते हैं। तो आइए चलिए करते हैं यूजीसी नेट एजुकेशन सब्जेक्ट के एमसीक्यूज़। This sequence consists of 3 letters in each term. The first letter follow one logic, the second letter follow another logic, and third letter follow some other logic or some logic in all the 3 cases. That is 3 letter series. Next question. These are also called arbitrary codes. These are two definite principles or patterns involved. Codes are based on the analogy of one example from which different codes are formed. Simple analogical letter coding. Next question. First, the candidates are required to observe the specific pattern involved and then proceed with encoding or decoding as the case may be, that is letter encoding on specific pattern. Next question. If posted POSTED is coded as DETSOP, then how will you code SPEED? That is, we'll code it as DEEPS. Next question. This question you'll do it by yourself. Next question. By careful observation, we can say that the letters have been written in the reverse order. Hence, speed will be written depths. Therefore, A is the correct answer. So the A is the correct answer, but you will try it yourself also. आप अपने आप भी करने की कोशिश करिएगा. If greet is coded as FQDDS, then CDDO stands for DEEP. Next question. So solution for this is, here it is -1 for each letter of the word greet. CDDO itself is a code. To find out what it stands for, we have to add +1 to the alphabet to get back the original word. Next question. If PAT is coded as QRBCUU, then how will you code GRACE? That is HISTBCDEFG. Next question. Mixed coding takes the pattern of coding with both the letters of the alphabet and the numerical assignment. The candidates are required to study the analogy given in the question, that is mixed coding, letters plus digit. Next question. In these types of questions, the first two words have a definite relationship. According to the relationship, we have to choose one word out of the given 4 alternatives that have the same relationship with the third word as between the first two. That is direct simple analogy. Next question. Fruit, banana. As fruit is to banana, so mammal is to cow. Next question. Lamp is to darkness, so study is to water is to thirst. As lamp is to darkness, so water is to thirst. Next question. It is reference made to the association that are connected to a certain word or the emotional suggestions related to that word, that is connotation. Next question. Connotative meanings of a word exists together with dash meanings, that is denotative meaning. Next question is a comparison between two dissimilar objects using the words as or like to connect them, that is simple. Next question, a dash is similar to a simile except that a metaphor compares two dissimilar objects without using the words as or like metaphor. Next question, my boyfriend is like a watermelon in the summer is example of simile. Next question, my boyfriend is an angel is an example of dash, that is metaphor. Next question, the information function of mass communication is described as surveillance. Next question, it is an integral part of any teaching learning process, that is classroom communication. Next question, classroom communication includes 5 distinct stages: formulation of message, message encoding, message transmission, dash and feedback and evaluation, that is message decoding and interpretation. Next question, all communication is based on symbols. So these are the questions for today. आप इसका देख सकते हैं. सो फ्रेंड्स, ये MCQs हम लोगों ने किए हैं UGC-NET एजुकेशन सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड. ये एजुकेशन सब्जेक्ट में बाकी एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए भी यूज़फुल है. होप ये आपके लिए यूज़फुल हो. कल हम लोग आगे के क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. थैंक यू.